been an active afternoon. Remember the last couple of days of us talking about how we would see some strong winds today? That was definitely the case, with winds as high as 93 miles per hour. In Lincoln, we had reports of 92 mile per hour winds in Bennett. I want to show you a live look right now from Beatrice, looking off to the south and west. And notice the sky right now. We've got some lower visibilities. Reports of a lot of dust being blown around right now, dropping visibility. So be very careful if you're out driving this evening, as we may see visibilities dropping at times. I was hoping my Allo camera is going to pop up here to show you what it looks like outside right now in Lincoln, but it's not doing so. But we are seeing the visibility is reducing in Lincoln. Our photographer outside was mentioning that he could feel dust hitting himself or hitting in the face. So just be careful tonight if you're out driving. With some of the high winds that are still blowing around outside, we may see those visibilities reduced at times. Radar is quiet around southeast Nebraska, finally. Now, we do see some showers out to the west, and I'll talk about those in a moment because there's also some snow showers mixed in. But I wanted to show you what's going on from the storms that we had earlier today. They have now moved into Iowa as well as Missouri, where you're seeing red and some pinks. Those are tornado warnings, and where you're seeing the pink warnings, that means there's a confirmed tornado, or at least radar confirmed with these storms and tornadoes. And they're moving off to the east, and that's where they will remain. Back to our west, some of this is now starting to change over to a little snow. Also wanted to show you this to show you how the path of this took over the last 4 hours today. It started in south central portions of the state and just moving off to the east. This line was moving eastward at 70 miles per hour. We saw individual cells moving northeast at 70 to 75 and at times 85 miles per hour. So some incredible speeds of these storms. Part of that's just because of the wind that's in the upper levels or even the lower levels of the atmosphere. Look at all the storm reports from today. 53 reports of wind in just southeast Nebraska. We've had 3 reports of tornado as well. You can see one up in the Columbus area. We also had a report here just to the south and east of Hastings today in Glenville, where emergency managers were reporting a tornado. And then further south of that, down towards Edgar, report of a tornado 1 mile south of Edgar per emergency management down in that area. Take a look at the high winds today. 93 mile per hour in Lincoln, 92 in Bennett, 90 miles per hour in Eagle. Beatrice had an 86 mile per hour wind gust. Grand Island 85, and Fairbury had an 80 mile per hour wind gust. Right now, no gusts being reported out of the airport, but notice Grand Island's got a 59 mile per hour gust, 52 mile per hour gust in Hastings, and still 61 miles per hour in Hebron. It's going to stay windy as we go through the evening hours. You'll see that in Stormcast as we go through the evening and into the nighttime hours. By 9 o'clock, we're still talking winds gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour. Now, as we go through the overnight, the winds will start to back down. Once we get to about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, I think we're talking winds gusting less than 30 miles per hour, but that's also going to set us up for a chilly morning from a wind chill standpoint tomorrow. Now, a high wind warning does continue through 9 o'clock this evening for all of southeast Nebraska. Now, tonight, our temperatures will drop down in the middle to upper 20s. Factor in the wind, and wind chill values tonight quickly dropping into the teens by 11 o'clock. By early tomorrow morning, if you're heading off to school or heading off to work, wind chill values may be into the upper teens to low 20s. A chilly feeling start to the day tomorrow. Now, as we go through the day tomorrow, we'll see mostly sunny skies, but it's going to be a much cooler day. Today we hit 74 degrees in Lincoln. We bested today's record high by 10 degrees set back in 2002. Tomorrow afternoon, highs will be in the middle to upper 40s. 47 degrees to be exact in Lincoln. And as I mentioned, temperatures right now is much cooler than what we were this afternoon. It's 58 degrees in Lincoln, 61 degrees in Beatrice. The records that we had, we broke them and blew them out of the water in Lincoln and Grand Island. Hastings today tied the record high set back in 2002. 7-day forecast, cooler temperatures on Friday, 46. Saturday and Sunday morning will be chilly, down in the teens. Saturday afternoon will be chilly, with highs in the low to mid 30s. Beyond that, we see our temperatures rebounding back into the middle to upper 40s, maybe even near 50 degrees by Tuesday and Wednesday next week. And right now for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, we're looking for temperatures to be in the lower to mid 40s, but it also looks to be dry at this time.
All right, thank you very much.